Unity is thinking and doing beyond your gender, age, ethnic, and socioeconomic differences. In fact, it's bringing our differences and work hand in hand for a common goal, a common purpose. A wise person once said, "Many hands make a light work," which means there's no many hands for a light work if there's no unity. Unity strengthens peace and harmony within people. Its power goes beyond and can build the empire. Once people work in unity, they are unbreakable, unstoppable, and they can do the impossible. Let's work on what unifies us more than what makes us different. Let's work on our positivity rather than our negative sides. Not me, not you, but us together.